Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless trimmer or router from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Very well packaged. So now let's take a look at what's included in the cordless router. We have the instruction manual here. We have 6 different bits. This is a corner round bit. So you have a variety of router bits, variety of sizes. You have a dust collector that could be used to hook up a vacuum to minimize dust. You have a couple of wrenches to tighten up the bits on your router. Then you have this edger here, the straight edge that you can use to help guide your router. And then the fasteners there to connect the straight edge. So this does not come with a battery. It is made to accommodate a DeWalt 20 volt lithium ion battery, so that's not included. We'll take a look at the router. It's constructed of heavy aluminum frame, which is good compared to others that are made of plastic. Hard molded plastic on the top. You have the lock, unlock button. You have the power on and off button. You have a variable speed up to 6 speeds. You have the black coated base to protect finishes. This is what you'll attach the guide to once it's put together. We'll do that in a moment. To adjust the depth of the router, you will just loosen this up and then adjust your router depth right here. Once you get it in place, then you'll lock it in. Has a brushless motor, and then the no load speed is 12,000 to 30,000 RPMs. You have a rubber grip here on the side to help you hold the router. So let's put the battery on before I put a router bit on. So we'll install the battery here at the top. Here's a power button. Let's speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, to assemble the guide, loosen the nut, and tighten it back up at the desired depth. Okay, as I stated earlier, it did come with 6 different router bits or trimming bits here that you can choose from. Put the bit in. You want to open up this lever. Use this knob to access the bolt here. To install a bit, then insert the smaller wrench into the cam portion, then the larger wrench to the nut. Then insert the bit. Turn the wrenches the opposite way to tighten. Once the bit is in, then you can use this knob to adjust the depth. Lock it in. So let's give it a try. So to install the dust collector, you have these two little protruded ends here that go inside these little holes here. Find that on the side. Then you have this set screw to secure the guard. So then you could hook a vacuum on this side to use the router or trimmer. Okay, now I've installed the router bit and the straight guide that I'll use. Overall, I think this is an excellent cordless router. Even though it doesn't come with a battery, I'm glad it accommodates a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. I recommend this cordless router trimmer.